Hi, I'm William Yurcik, go by Bill. I'm a mechanical engineer in code 893 at Carderock. I've been at Carderock for just over a year, hit my year last week. I went to school, University of Maryland, very proud, go Terps. Growing up, my stepdad had a part-time job, small company, flipping boats. So I kind of got my hands on, got to work on some engines growing up. Had a real interest in boats the entirety of my time growing up. And when I came to Carderock and saw some of the facilities, some of the stuff that was around, I kind of fell in love. I thought it was really something unique and cool to be a part of. I came in for a hiring event one day. They gave us a tour of some of the facilities, the David Taylor model basin, rotating arm, I believe I saw that day, and got to talk to a bunch of different codes. So that was a really cool experience. The hiring event 100% dictated and encouraged me to come to Carderock. This is my second time at the LCC, but this is my first time being here for a project that I worked on. So it's pretty cool and a unique opportunity to see something that I had my hands in throughout a large duration of the process actually come to life. It's definitely a bit overwhelming when you first get here. The warehouse in itself is absolutely massive, and the facilities are truly one of a kind. You can really tell just basically on the pure size of the facility and the surrounding area as well. It's really, really unique and something to behold. I mean, I've heard people from around my code talk about it for my entirety of the time here, but before you really get here and see it, it's you don't really process how large it truly is. Yeah, it's definitely been a really cool experience. At times it was overwhelming. Just I think there's a large learning curve with engineering and learning and gaining the tools that I need to be productive. But all my senior engineers and my bosses have been really supportive and helpful along the way. You know, taking time to make sure if I have any questions to make sure they're answered, and always making sure that they take opportunities or their time to share some knowledge about the facilities, general engineering knowledge, etc. Anything that could help me along my way. And I think that I'm still kind of trying to be like a sponge and absorbing all the knowledge that I can. I definitely know that the opportunity for graduate school is there for me, and I look forward to maybe taking that step one day when I know it's the right time and I know what that might do for me in my career. This job here has allowed me to travel a little bit, which is very cool, and allowed me the opportunity to work at one-of-a-kind, world-class detachments such as the LCC here. Here at Carderock, especially for my code, I feel that a lot of the jobs are one-of-one jobs. A lot of other engineering companies I know are more based on the perfection of maybe one simple part or one simple system. Here, you know, it could be a new thing every single day. And I can say, based on this opportunity alone, I know I've had a one-of-one experience being able to be part of the design team for this test and this one-of-a-kind facility here at the Carderock LCC. So I know I've gotten a very unique opportunity, and I think it's really cool. I'm really thankful.